and we get our beautiful view of the ocean. It doesn't get much better than that.
While vacationing in Hawaii, you've seen our family visit the secret island beach, explore lost filming locations, and take the Oʻahu Hidden Gems Tour. But let's rewind a bit and show you how we got here, including our not-so-glamorous red-eye flight with a 5-hour layover. We'll give you a quick room tour of the Holiday Inn Express Waikiki and show you the beach that's just a short walk from the hotel. Let's go!
Welcome back, Rescue. We have Carl here. If you're not familiar with the channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places.
To make the most of our vacation budget, we decided to fly out of Chicago Midway instead of our usual airport and took a red-eye flight.
Man, so it's 3:09 a.m. and we pretty much have this place to ourselves.
After sleeping a few hours and the sun coming up, it was time for our connecting flight to Hawaii. After finding our seats, we made ourselves comfortable and slept all the way to Hawaii. We knew we had a long adventure ahead right when the plane landed.
And we are here in Hawaii. I haven't been back here for almost 20 years now.
To this island?
Yeah.
Oh, well, this is my first time at this island.
Yeah, so it's for Addison and little Rosalie. It's really nice here. Like everything is like laid back. It's not busy like O'Hare. So the goal on the trip is to drink out of a coconut and to also get some shaved ice. That might have been the fastest we've ever got all our suitcases. That took like 2 seconds. All right, next is time to get our rental car. Here's something I'm not used to. That the rental car, right when you get out of the airport here in Honolulu, it says walk to the rental car center. Usually you have to take a shuttle, so everything's like compact and easy over here. And this is our car.
All right, we made it. We're at the Holiday Inn Express Waikiki, so it's time to check in. But something about Holiday Inn Express, the people who work here are always so nice.
Oh, what is that? Whoa! Thank you very much.
Welcome to our room. So you walk in and you have common area, suitcases, mirror, and then we come over here and this is the room. We have 2 beds, and then we come into the bathroom, have a good sized bathroom with some natural sunlight. Nice. And then we come over here and we get our beautiful view of the ocean. It doesn't get much better than that. And then we have 2 beds and a TV and a nice little lounge area.
I know you're the one who wanted to come to Hawaii.
Yes.
What's the reason you really wanted to come here?
I want to come here for the beaches and the views and just like the overall experience of like paradise.
And get a tan.
And I want to get tan.
All right, let's go to the beach.
And downstairs, they do have a business center, so if you want to use the computer or print something out. And something you should also use is the concierge desk. And to the right, there's a place that gives you maps, which really came in handy. And right here is the open layout. I spent a lot of time here. Also, every morning we went downstairs to grab breakfast. They had a good variety of food, and it's a good way to get us going before the start of each day. Now it's time to find the beach.
So all week, the temperature is between 70 and 80 degrees. It's gonna be perfect, especially it just like snowed a couple weeks ago in the Chicagoland area. It's pretty cool to see these palm trees. Don't see that in Illinois very often. There's my wife, the tree hugger. She can't help it. So the first day, the plan is just to kind of chill, get a lay of the land, and Addison wants to tan. This kind of reminds me of Vegas, where it's not just a bunch of straight lines. You have to like weave in, weave out. in order to get to the destination you need. But I'm seeing blue right now and a bunch of people, so we're on the right way. It really does feel like the folks here in Hawaii just have a chiller vibe and just more relaxed compared to the hustle and bustle of Chicago. What's going on here? Hey, Addison, you're tall. Is that roots or is that just a branch? I don't know what is this? Hey, in the comments, tell me what these things are. Oh, that looks fun. For those that don't know, volleyball was my main sport. I actually played in high school, I played in varsity, and also played for my college team. So when I played volleyball, some of the rules are different. There wasn't really any libero, and the second hard hit ball didn't that counted as 2 hits. So it feels almost like a whole new game now. Addison thinks there's monkeys back there. I think it's a bird, but just in case Addison's right, we're gonna keep on walking. Rose has been wanting to climb a tree all day today. Hey, this is the one that you can actually do. When I lived in Africa, Rosalie, I climbed trees every day because I didn't have an iPad. Oh my gosh, look how clear it is. Much clearer than the Chicago River.
Everything was nice and calm, and then the wind picked up.
Oh! 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 That lady almost got stabbed. Umbrella on the loose. Hey, Rosalie. You ready to go snorkeling here? The 2 girls are out. I think Daddy felt the water is a little cold.
It was very important that the first day be a relaxing beach day because the next few days it's going to be pretty busy using our Go City Pass. By using Go City, you can save up to 50% on attractions. We use a Go City all-inclusive pass for our entire trip and we were able to save up to 50%. The pass gives you access to tons of attractions for one set price, making it easy to plan and save. Click the link below to get more information with our affiliate link.
I think realistically in those 4 days, 8 is probably a good number, but I think we're gonna try to push it and maybe do 12 to 16. What do you think we're gonna do? Put it in the comments. What number of activities do you think we're gonna be able to hit?
Click right here to see one of our first Go City Pass adventures, the Secret Island Beach.